What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a quick look at a USB-C hub 10, count them, 10-in-1 portable hubs from Intpw. Don't ask me what that stands for. Intpw, USB Type-C hub. There you go. 10-in-1. Not a lot of information on the box except that it is USB-C multi-port adapter. There you go. A couple different languages. Got a little instruction manual. So, model ID 559. Intelligent Your Mobile Life. Intelligent Your Mobile... Nope, that's not Intpw. Sorry. Maybe Intelligent I is part of it, right? I don't know. Don't see anywhere in here where it tells me what they stand for. Let's check that. Let's look at the hub itself. Well, actually, I really do like this hub. So, one, I think the aesthetics of it look really, really cool. I'm not a big fan, but at least it's a braided cable and it's nice. But again, I'm not a fan of these waggy, dongly tails in my bag. But you know, if I had any complaint, that would probably be it with this, because from what I've tested, I really do like it. So it's going to have an LED here that's going to tell you when it's powered on and being in use. You got a Type-C plug here. You got 3.1, sorry, USB, and a 2.0. Why you would need that? Maybe for legacy stuff, I don't know, but that was kind of a wasted port to me. You know, I guess there is still purposes for 2.0. You got a SD card and micro SD card slot over here. Then on this side, VGA, yeah, it's still a thing. So again, it's kind of like, this comes in handy for like new and old. So got VGA, you got Ethernet, Gigabit, and those are the 10 ports that you basically get all together here. Again, on this side, you've got a USB 2.0 again. You've got two 4K HDMIs, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, another USB 2.0, and a power delivery. This is a power-only USB-C slot. So, and then on this side, you do have a headphone jack. So there's number 10, right? This USB-C is data. So it's USB-C 3.1. So it does actually pass everything through to it. So let's say that's 1, 2, I don't know, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you actually got 14 ports. Now they're saying it's 10-in-1 because obviously you've got several 2.0s and 2 HDMIs. So we can't count them each time as like, you know, it's 10-in-1. 10-in-1 functions, not 10-in-1 ports, right? So let's go ahead. Now it does tell you designed by Intpw in California, but it is assembled in China. Customer care, they've got a support at intpw.com. So very, very nice. I do like the aesthetics. I like these little grooves on top. I just think it looks like a really, really nice USB-C adapter. So we're going to plug this into a MacBook Pro. We're going to test it out a little bit just to give you an idea of, does it degrade my speed if I plug in like an SSD instead of going directly into my laptop, going through this. And we'll load it up with some accessories here and give it just a quick little kick the tires for you guys so you can see. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this G drive directly into my MacBook Pro. We've got the Blackmagic disk speed test up and running, and we're going to see what kind of speeds we get with this solid state drive that we just plugged directly in, right? So let's go ahead and plug this in. And then we're going to plug in several other accessories to this dongle here. We're going to do a thumb drive, we're going to do a micro SD and an SD card. Alright, so we have plugged in. Let's go ahead and click on the disk speed test. Let's do file. We got to select our target drive, and we make sure we get the G drive here, which is not now. Actually, I got Time Machine going to a Synology. So let's do this guy here. It's the OS 10 backup is what I've got on it. So we'll select that as the drive. And we'll start. So we're getting 332 reads on the first pass, or sorry, writes, and then reads about 384. And second pass on writes, 354. Reads, 385. So, you know, we're maintaining steady through the built-in port here on the MacBook Pro. So what we'll do now is I will disconnect this, eject it properly. We'll load up the dongle, we'll plug it in, and we'll be right back and we'll run these very similar tests so you can see this bad boy in action. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So what we have here is we've got the same drive, we've got it plugged into the power, the USB-C on this dongle, and we're maintaining the exact same readings we were with it plugged directly into the Mac. That means the components in this guy are decent and they're good. They're not going to impact you. We are still running at about 350, look at that, 360 writes. That's faster than going directly into the Mac, and we ran it like 3 or 4 passes. Reads, we're getting 382. We were running 384 when it was plugged directly in. That is great. So look at that, 406 reads. Okay, so it's almost doing better through the dongle. What? So yeah, that's kind of crazy. So let's go ahead and look at the Finder here, and you can see I've got a micro SD card, and I've got a USB 3.1 plugged in here. So since I used my only C port here, this is a multi, I can use it as a Type C or USB 3.0, 3.1, and so I selected 3.1, and then I've got the 2 SD cards in here and this. So I've literally got 4 different storage devices attached. So you can see them all right here going through this hub. Does not get hot. That's something that somebody might ask. I was running this for a while on that speed test before I started recording, and dissipating heat really well. So I really don't feel it getting hot, and that's running pretty good. You can still see this thing is flashing here. So overall, this is a really good dongle. Normally I see a degradation when I'm not going directly into the ports in the Mac and going through a dongle, and this one does not have that. In fact, it almost does a better job. So I'm going to highly rate this one as a definite one to get. And here's again the instruction manual. I don't know if it's got, yeah, here we go. In case you're wanting the specs, pause it and look at it. Again, it's a gigabit LAN, 10, 100, 1000. Micro SD is USB 2.0. Cartonizer, I can't say that. 9 is a SD USB 2.0 card reader, USB 2.0, USB 3.1, Gen 2, Gen 2, Type A, Type C, Gen 2, 14, 3.5 millimeter stereo, and Type C host. So here's all your specs. So if you want to pause that and look, but why don't you just click the show notes? I'll have a link, and you can go check it out for yourself at the website and purchase one for yourself. It's that easy, right? Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, click that little notification bell to be notified when we post more content. And always, thanks for spending your time here. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.